I'll guide you through the process of downloading songs on your iPhone so you can listen to your favorite tracks anywhere without using up your mobile data or needing a Wi-Fi connection. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. While streaming is the standard, keeping a local copy of your music on your device is the only way to guarantee uninterrupted playback during travel or in areas with poor service. Here's how to do that. Open the Apple Music app and search for the specific song, album, or playlist you want to save to your device. Tap the plus icon to add the track to your library. Then immediately look for the downward arrow or cloud icon to initiate the local download. Navigate to your iPhone settings and navigate to Music to ensure the Sync Library toggle is turned on, allowing your downloaded content to stay consistent across all your Apple devices. While in the music settings, enable the automatic downloads feature so that every time you add a song to your library in the future, it saves to your storage automatically. For those who have their own audio files, open Safari and download your music from a verified source, which will then appear in the Downloads folder of your Files app. Tap on the downloaded audio file within the Files app to play it instantly, or move it to the On My iPhone folder to keep your library organized and accessible offline. Finally, test your setup by turning on airplane mode and attempting to play your songs to confirm they are correctly stored for true offline access. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.